Hajime mashite, Roshan desu, dozo yoroshiku. In less than 2 decades, Toyota has gone from a laughing stock in America to the world's largest and most successful automobile manufacturer. The Kaizen mind, which means there is only one way to move forward, which is what we're going to focus on in this episode of Be a Leader. Arigato. In my experience working and observing great leaders across the world, one key trait of great leaders is their appetite for continuously learning and growing. Great leaders are always listening and watching in the hope of learning new ideas, new thoughts, and discovering new truths and realities for themselves. A constant hunger to learn drives their growth and that of their organization. As a leader, you must never stop learning and never stop growing, because when that happens, you stop being a leader. Let me tell you the legend of Jack Welch and the World Wide Web. According to legend, Jack had gone home one day and found his then wife, Jane, on the computer. It was so uncharacteristic of her that Jack had to find out what she was doing. It turns out she was shopping. Jack could not believe that it was possible to shop online, and so she showed him how it worked by ordering a set of golf clubs for him. It blew him away. Immediately, Jack wanted to learn about the power of the internet. For a few weeks, he breathed and lived the internet. He wasn't interested just to shop online. He wanted to know the whole works. He then proceeded to set up new companies with the sole purpose of building new internet-based businesses. The new CEOs of these .com entities were tasked with converting the sales function of traditional businesses from old methods to e-commerce. When we heard the news, most of us couldn't understand why an old man would bother learning at this stage of his life. But that's the thing about great leaders. They never stop learning. Jack's desire to learn is insatiable. Even a few years shy of retirement, he was still willing to shake things up and push the company towards new, untested waters. Arigato. It all begins with having a constant hunger to learn and being willing to learn from anyone, even from your spouse or your children. Jack did. After all, even old men need to keep growing.